Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both your Xiaomi TV and phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because mirroring uses local streaming. Once done, enable wireless display or cast on the TV in settings connection and sharing so it becomes discoverable. Next, on your device open the cast or screen mirroring control in quick settings. You're now actively searching for displays. This sequence gets both endpoints ready and visible, which prevents common pairing failures later. You select the Xiaomi TV from your device's cast list and accept the prompt on the TV. This establishes the connection. Once connected, make sure to choose optimal streaming settings, pick higher quality for video, lower latency, or optimize for games for interactive apps, because the wrong profile can cause lag or poor picture. If you're on Windows, enable projecting to this PC, then pick duplicate or extend, depending on whether you want the same view or a second screen. You finalize by closing heavy background apps and confirming TV audio output matches your needs so playback is clean. This step prevents stutter caused by CPU or network strain. Make sure the TV uses 5 GHz Wi-Fi or an Ethernet connection when possible, because that reduces latency and packet loss. If the mirror drops or fails to detect the TV, reboot the TV, your device, and the router. Then re-enable casting. That simple reset resolves most transient network pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.